Hello guys, Alex here, and welcome to another episode of my father and I renovating this abandoned house and turning it into my dream home. So unfortunately in this episode it will not be my father and I renovating and building the roof because my father has damaged his back, has splinted his back a few days ago, and he's not able to work, and we decided he will rest for quite some time. So we decided to take two guys from the village. Basically we will be doing the roof for us and I will be helping them. So yeah guys, without too much talking, let's get to it. Let's go.
Vamos lá namorar, imagina. Aí essas pedras pequenas, vai, tira essas pedras pequenas daí do problema.
Mais.
Se é mais coisa, menos coisa, está na larga para o fundo.
Sim.
Ela pode dar a volta para a frente.
Não. Agora não precisa martelo.
Michelle, mete lá o nível. Mete lá o nível agora, Michelle. Ela da ponta depois quando for a semana que eu vou levantar. Não é nada. Outra. Esta depois tem que levantar essa.
Di patrão.
O YouTube.
Manda-me, patrão.
As gajas, tenho muitas gajas atrás de mim. Saúde!
Saúde. Saúde.
Saúde!
Tem mais pilar.
Opa! Que? Tranquilo! Tranquilo!
E...
Segura. João.
Segura!
Segura.
Segura, ok.
Holding!
Holding. E agora como é? Aqui mais ou menos. Não, aqui adentro. Mas eu acho.
E...
Op.
Op!
Segura.
Segura.
Op. Mais um bocadinho. Op. Mais. Op. Mais um bocadinho. Pera, ok, segura. Tá?
Opa!
Tá?
E... Segura.
É.
Segura, amor! Da.
Zeu. Zeu. Zeu.
Asta va să fiecare e tras, că păi și ia puși.
Agora.
Давай, 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 давай.
Opa!
Оп, оп.
Все, снимай.
Я диаметр носить.
Там. Ну.
Aquele teu polo, deixa cá o polo.
So guys, it's the end of the third day, and as you can see we finished up installing all the metal beams, and it makes me so excited because like when you put the metal beams and you watch from every angle from the property on the house, you can already imagine like the roof, how it looks. So it's pretty amazing stuff. And yeah, now it's ready for the concrete, like for the concrete beam, like in the corners, you know. And yeah, after that we will be placing the roof. So amazing stuff. Yeah, it's been a long day. We accomplished so much, and I'm happy for that. So I guess see you tomorrow. Бери.
Нет. Нет.
Оставь.
Polino, eh?
Grua.
What this? What this? Fica mais perto do carro, né?
Claro. Questo è proprio per la ponte, che volevo andare.
A guardare sto so. So guys, it's the end of the day, and as you can see, we have done half of the roof, and it makes me so excited. I cannot put it in words, because look at that, it's starting to look like a home now. It's pretty amazing how much the roof does. Like it's incredible stuff. It brings like the house to fruition. It's incredible. So yeah, it's the end of the week here, and the two workers are working only from Monday to Friday, so they will not be able to come tomorrow. So tomorrow me and my father will try to do it. We'll try to install the roof. So and we'll see how that goes. So I guess see you tomorrow. Postawię zразу.
Czekaj.
Давай.
Czekaj. Sekundę. A ja na maszynę. Uderzysz?
Dobra.
Będę ci pomagał. Na maszynę.
So guys, me and my father got the next panel in, and we wanted to screw it already, but look at that. It doesn't have space for screw to go in, and it's because, as you can see, look at that. Look how the panel at the end starts with a lot of space, and then it goes like that, and the last screw they put barely have a space to go, and it's because they didn't put the roof straight. It has a slight inclination to there, therefore it starts there with a lot of room to go, and here it doesn't have at all, and and if we push to the end, we will not, like it will be on the air. So yeah, obviously those guys are not professionals, and we pay the price for it. So yeah, we'll have to redo it now. So let's get to it. Let's go. So guys, as you saw, those roofers didn't do a very good job. They advertised themselves as working in the field for a long time, but I already had, like in the second day, I had doubts about their professionalism. They did few things that we didn't like, and we fixed them and stuff like that. But I always try to give people the benefit of the doubt. And yeah, we let them continue to work, even though already the second day I thought to dismiss them. But yeah, as you can see, we let them to install the panels, and they did a very bad job, because they didn't even place the level normally. Like the plates, like the roof is all is all inclined. It's not straight. So the only problem with this is, like, we can fix it, but the only problem is they already done holes, with the screws. So that's a bit of a problem, and it's a damage that they did. But you know what I mean. I always try to give people the benefit of the doubt, and I paid for it, So yeah, that's life, I guess. So yeah, we are trying to fix it now, and at the first we thought that we need to get all the plates, all the panels down, and we tried to think of a solution to not do it, and we found one. So let me show you what we found. Let's go. So the solution we came up with is improvisation of ours, because we never did the roofs before, but they already had like screws in, right? So what we did is, we get up. As you can see, we left those screws, and like those screws are preventing the panel to go down, and this makes it stay in place, and we will not need to get them down. So we just like them, place them in where they need to be placed after. So it's perfect. It's a great solution. It saved us tons of time because we will not to get them down and then up again. And so yeah, I'm very happy for that. Yeah, let's now fix that thing. Let's go.
Wybieramy tam. To? Dobre?
So guys, as you can see, we are up here again, and look at that beauty. Look at that. It's fixed. Look at that. Yeah guys, so what we did, we pushed down this string in the middle of the beams. We put as you can see, a screw there at the point, and then one in the middle of that one, and we push down the string. As you can see, this beam is not very straight. It has a slight inclination to there. That's why you see here like 3 centimeters and not as it has to be at 5. But it doesn't matter, because then it goes it goes wider there, right? So we are golden. So yeah guys, as you can see, we fixed the problem caused by the well, I call them roofers, but I don't think they are really roofers, so let's call them builders. So we fixed the problem done by the builders, and very happy for that. And yeah, so now we can continue going. So let's keep going, guys. Let's go. The front side is done, look at that. Amazing stuff. Yeah, so it's the end of the day. We'll continue tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys.
Можешь сам поднять голову? Главное аккуратно. Вперед, кстати, поехать нельзя.
let's keep going. Let's go. It started raining, but it will not stop us. We have one left to go. Let's go. Let's do it. So guys, as you can see, we have a roof. We overcame the challenge, and it was the first time in our lives that we ever did any roof, and I think we did a decent job, and I'm very proud of us for accomplishing it. So this side took us a little bit longer to do because we had to cut each panel, and I want to explain you why we did it. So let me go down. Let me go down and try to explain better there. So let's go. Yeah. So I'm down now. Let me try to explain starting from the front side. So as you can see, the panels that we bought, if we put them, they have here like a hang of 70-75 centimeters. And from the front side, it doesn't matter because we will do a veranda like that, and we will do it up to here. Like we will continue somewhat the same angle, and it turns out to be alright. But at the back side, I don't know if you can see, this side is much lower than that one. Like the back side is much higher, right? This means that if you would have left the same panels in the back side, and we would have to build the back veranda, like the panels would be somewhere like here. Then it means that we will have to start the angle like from here, right? Like down angle like that. And the last pillar, like for example, if we wanted 2 meters, like the angle will go right here, and here it will be like too low for us. Like it will be even lower than myself, right? And then it means that we have to crouch here. So what we did is we cut them, so the hang is like 20-25 centimeters. And then we can start the veranda from here with a much open angle, and it means it will be in a good height for us to to be able to do stuff in there. So yeah, I hope my explanation works, and you have much clearer idea why we did that. So yeah, it took us a bit longer, but we overcame the challenge as well. So I'm very proud of us. It's a huge milestone, and the house looks amazing. So yeah guys, it will be the end of the video, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next ones.